Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the French alphabet. Just like English, French also has 26 letters, but the pronunciation is a little different. Let's start together from A to Z. Repeat after me slowly. Please repeat after me. Perfect. B, 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 C, C, C. Let's go. Repeat after me. It's wonderful. D, 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 E, E, E. It's a little difficult, but don't worry. F, 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 G, 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 H, 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 I, 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 J, 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 K, 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 L, L, M, M, N, N, O, 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 B, 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 Cure, R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 E, 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 V, 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 W, 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 X, 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 Y, 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 Z, Z, Z. Let's take groups of French letters. Group 1, A, B, C, D, E. Repeat after me, please. Let's continue. Group 2, F, G, H, I, J. Group 3, K, L, M, N, O. This group is very easy. Group 4, B, Q, R, S, T. Group 5, E, V, W, X, Y, Z. Perfect. You did very well. Remember, the letters are the same as English, but the sounds are different. Practice every day, and soon you will know the French alphabet by heart. Finally, I invite you to subscribe to my channel to receive all that is new. See you in a new video. Au revoir. Goodbye.